Hey, what's up guys? I only have about 8,888 things I wanted to say to you very quickly in this video. This is Harlow, that's Theodore. Number one, I wanted to say thank you so much for everyone who came out to our F45 day. There's a lot of things that everybody could have been doing. You came out, you worked out with me. I hope you guys had as much fun as I did. That place has changed my life and it's something that I feel happy to share with people that has made me so happy and so many results when it comes to my fitness goals. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for coming guys to F45 last night. It was a blast. Number two, I wanted to say that the F45 $15 for 2 weeks is something that's unheard of. It's normally $200 a month to work out there, unlimited, any location, our downtown location, the Henderson location, or Summerlin, where Mark Wahlberg will make appearances. And Mark Wahlberg's coming to downtown, FYI, by the way. But outside of that, I just wanted to say that $15 is something that's never been done before. It's only being done for just my friends. So if you had fun, join me. $15, 2 weeks, take advantage of it. You're gonna be able to have a lot of fun, get a lot of great exercise, but it's gonna be just an absolute blast. And if you want to work out with me, you let me know and I will do my best to work it around your schedule. I typically go 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. and then the PM classes, and then at 6:30 p.m. if I do a PM class. And then on Saturdays and Sundays, we can do that too. 7 days a week, all day. Number three, our next event is coming up. It's gonna be Friday. Let me make sure I say the date right. The 26th is gonna be at the LA Comedy Club. We did it last month. We're doing it again back by popular demand. People were dying of laughter. It's gonna be at 8 p.m. at the Stratosphere. It's $39.99 per ticket, but because you're with us, it's free. And you can bring unlimited friends free. All they have to do is RSVP. So for them, they just have to text the phone number 702-602-8802, this phone number, and text word comedy. They're gonna get RSVP'd for complimentary tickets. If you're watching this right now and you're available to come to our show on the 26th for the LA Comedy Club, 8 p.m., just reply back to this text and text the word comedy, and you're gonna be RSVP'd. You got your complimentary tickets too. Then, so that's Friday the 26th, our next event coming up. Then the very next day on the 27th, we have my workshop that I would love for you guys to attend. One of the girls that's gonna be coming, her name is Emily. She's gonna be one of our presenting speakers. She's done over $250 million in product development. And every month that we do this, it's never the same thing, it's always different. And she's gonna go over product development and specifically products that you think are these amazing products, but it's just a white label of something else. So that's gonna be a lot of fun. Plus I got the managing partners of Wondour that's gonna be there. We're gonna go over app development. You have to know, out of all the app guys that Harvard University, Harvard Medical School could work with, they hired our boys. They're gonna be speaking. We're gonna be talking about apps, we're gonna be talking about the Metaverse, we're gonna be talking about NFTs, we're gonna be talking about everything in the Web3 space. We're gonna be talking about things that everyone's wondering about when it comes to how do you position yourself, how to position your business, and how do you just make sure that you're gonna have long-term residual income? How do you gonna ensure you're gonna have the income coming in when you're sleeping? We're gonna be talking about all that good stuff. And if you wanna go to that the very next day on Saturday, all you have to do is RSVP the word workshop, and you're gonna be getting your seats specifically for that event. Lots of fun. So again, guys, thank you so much for coming to F45 Day. Our next event, RSVP for both of them right now. The comedy show on the 27th of Friday, comedy, and then the workshop the very next day, Saturday, 1 to 3. Lots of fun. Kick some butt, have a wonderful week, and I'll see you guys at the next event.